Are you one of those cooks who just has 5,000 pans going, messy kitchen, running, doing other things while cooking, checking emails, checking social media, talking on the phone? Or are you a slower cook? Are you more of a prepper and a planner? Well, my friends, welcome to your Daily Whisper. This week we are looking at behaviors as a way to gain insight into how we are living. As you do one thing, you do all things. As you cook, it is an indication of how you are prepping and tending to other things in your life. And I chose cooking today because I could talk a lot about cooking. Let me tell you, I am an Italian chick. I love to cook. I love to eat. However, I'm also a scattered, frantic entrepreneur who gets caught in other things. And so cooking for me has been one of those behaviors that I can tell so closely where I am mentally in other things in my life by how I'm prepping, planning, cooking, tending. So, what type of cook are you? I'll tell you what really drives me, especially when it comes to cooking, is this quote by Thich Nhat Hanh. He said, "The real miracle in life is not to walk on water. The real miracle is to walk on the earth and be present in the moment." That's beautiful. It's so simple. I will put that in the show notes for you to grab and put at the top of your journal. The real miracle is to be present in the moment. And so we are using these behaviors this week as a way to heighten our awareness. So let's talk about cooking for a moment. My story, and it's not as much now that I don't have my yoga studio and I don't have kids at home. It's a little different. I am more mindful. But when I was in the heat of it all, busy mom, driving here and there, busy business, phone calls, questions, I burned everything. Well, not only did I burn everything, I never planned. It would be literally 5:30, 6 o'clock, and I think, oh God, what am I making for dinner tonight? It was not top of mind. It was not priority, and I'm a little embarrassed to admit it. My poor kids, I don't know what they ate. Taco Tuesdays, lasagna on Wednesdays. It was not like, all plant-based, organic, this and that. I was doing the best I could. So I am totally not beating myself up. But looking to how you cook or tending, I love that word, tending to the simple things in your home, tending to your home, tending to your car, tending to your garage, your garden, your desktop. These are all behaviors that we can look at. Wow, how am I doing this? Because this is a reflection of how I'm doing other things in my life. As you do one thing, you do all things. So remember, there's no shame in this. They're there, sweetheart. They're there. You're running a business. They're there. You've got soccer practice. You've got, kids with homework. You've got a night shift. They're there, sweetheart. This is an exploration, not a judgment fest. So I invite you today, this week, to look at cooking, prepping, planning, cleaning up afterward. How are you doing that? And you can also look at tending. I love that word, tending. Watering the plants or not. That's another thing I do. I kill plants. And I'm right now in this sublet where there's like 20 plants in the one-bedroom apartment. So I have to be really mindful to water those little babies for the woman that I'm subletting from. So it's made me heightened, right? My awareness heightened of how I tend to plants. So there we go. That is what I have for you today. Yesterday was walking, today's cooking and tending, and we'll see about tomorrow. But for today, I just ask you to hold this all with a light palm and with loads of love. This is just opening up our awareness to how we're living our lives and helping us to become more mindful. And so with that, I want to just share with you one new thing that I'm putting down there in the show notes, and that is the website for my Mental Fitness Collective. Two of my main things, the main things that I'm focused on these days, besides these wonderful daily whispers that I enjoy, two things are supporting women in the arena, which is the 4-week mastermind I run every month, and then also supporting wellness, fitness, and mental health professionals in the Mental Fitness Collective. It's how we work together, innovate, create opportunity, collaborate, and also prosper, create different sources of income for our small businesses. So if you are one of those, wellness, fitness, coach, mental health professional, take a look at the Mental Fitness Collective in the show notes. Until tomorrow, go out there and go pay attention. There's so much to learn. Be well.